I have been freelancing for a while and I have collected over $20,000 just in the past year from international clients, and PayPal has been the go-to platform for me to collect these international payments. And although PayPal cuts 7 to 8% as a transaction fee, but it is one of the most convenient ways to accept international payments. In this video, I will take you step by step on how to open a PayPal business account for your freelancing business so you can accept international payments seamlessly. So here is what you need to open a PayPal business account in India. Number 1, a registered business, and number 2, your business registration certificate. So how to register your freelancing business in India? It is quite easy actually. All you have to do is sign up on the MSME website, which is a government website, as a sole proprietorship. That means you are a single entity who is the owner of the business, which is the case in freelancing. So this process is free of cost, and all you have to do is fill up their form and enter your details such as in which industry your business in, what is your revenue, what is the business name, and you have to submit your Aadhaar card and maybe PAN card. After you do this, you will receive your Udyam certificate, which is your business registration certificate, almost instantly, and that too without any charges. So save this certificate because this is what you will need while creating a business account on PayPal. Now coming to the step-by-step process of opening your PayPal business account. So step number 1, you have to go to PayPal's website and you have to click on sign up. Then you will be asked to open either an individual account or business account. Here you have to choose business account. Next, you have to enter your email ID and some details about your business such as date of establishment or maybe revenue. Next, you have to submit your business registration certificate and some documents like PAN card. Once you complete these steps, you will be asked to verify your email ID and your account. The next step is about verifying your documents and completing your KYC with identity documents like Aadhaar card. Next, you have to submit your identity documents. For example, if you are in India, then you can submit Aadhaar card and complete your KYC. Once you complete the KYC, the account will be checked by PayPal employees and you can start receiving payments. Next, you have to add your bank account to your PayPal account so you can withdraw payments from PayPal to your local bank account. PayPal will then ask you to enter your bank account details and will try to verify your bank account by making a small deposit in your account, and then it will ask to enter the exact amount on their website. So PayPal knows that yes, it is your account. In my case, I have done it twice and recently I registered my content writing business. And that is all. Now you can collect payments on your PayPal by either sharing your PayPal email ID with your client, or maybe you can send an PayPal invoice to your client. If you made it this far, then do check out the 10 other tools that I reviewed that will make your freelancing journey so much easier. Keep watching and stay tuned.